This is the AUG Ambimod. Featuring full ambi functionality for both NATO and standard stocks, I really do mean it when I say this is the AUG Steyr should have made. Let's talk about it, but first, some history. Revolutionary for its time, the AUG was adopted in 1978. Among its features were dual ejection ports and a bolt catch, but no bolt release. That wouldn't show up until the AUG A3 dropped in 2007, and like the charging handle, it was configured for right-handed shooters. Worse yet, this feature was limited to the standard stock. The NATO stock, designed before the A3 but released alongside it, didn't get a bolt release, and early versions even kept the A2 stock hump. It also lacked a left-hand ejection port, making it even less appealing. So what the heck is this thing and how'd I make it? This started out as an A2 NATO stock I bought for my first bolt release install. A few months after that project, I was wrapping up the buyer's guide when I wondered, why don't the NATO stocks have left-hand eject? I asked around and nobody had any answers, which bothered me for a while. Eventually, I decided I'd be the one to find out and hooked up the Dremel. 3 hours and many microplastics later, I had left-hand eject on my NATO. I then took it out to the range and, to my complete amazement, it ran flawlessly. From this point on, I took the project more seriously, wondering if I could add a second bolt release to complement the ejection port. After several days of trial and error, inhaling macroplastics, and copious amounts of JB Weld, it turns out you absolutely can, but I made a lot of mistakes along the way. I wasn't happy with my first bolt release tutorial, so I ambi-modded more stocks to refine this process, 9 to be exact. 6 NATOs, 2 standards, and 1 surplus. Surprisingly, they all worked and I didn't destroy any stocks, which really helped given the cost this project incurred. Between the 16 bolt release assemblies and 7 stocks I bought for this project, I spent over 3 months and $2,500 putting this together. Mind you, I'm not even left-handed. The real bummer is I can't show you how I did it, at least not here. See, this video was supposed to be a tutorial, not a showcase. I spent a lot of time creating that tutorial, which got sniped by YouTube moderation within the hour. Regardless, I hope this serves as a wake-up call to Steyr, because there's no reason this can't be a real product. The fact that Steyr waited 18 years to change the NATO mold and didn't add a single ambi feature is actually mind-boggling. If I was able to do this freehanding a Dremel in my closet, there is no reason Steyr couldn't do it for real. There aren't even any downsides either. Currently, the only issue is that no ejection port covers exist for NATOs, which Steyr could easily fix if they pick this up. Because Steyr probably won't see this though, if anyone watching wants to use this project or add to it somehow, by all means, please do. I don't plan on selling these or offering a conversion service, hence my attempt to give it away for free with a tutorial. The tutorial still exists, but it's floating around to the odd sea. If you're interested, head over there, type in my channel name, and you should find it. Anyways, that's all I got for you, so toodles!